Senate Public Service Committee Chair Raffy Tulfo raises questions on Philippine airport security. Tulfo wonders why there are stringent security checks on regular passengers but not on VIPs. Bea de la Cruz reports.
Senate Committee on Public Service Chairman Raffy Tulfo grills officials on a host of issues perennially hounding the country's airports. Passengers have had to repeatedly suffer from malfunctioning facilities like escalators, walkolators, and e-gates, especially at the country's international airports. Engineer Jolly Bert Galeon of the Bureau of Immigration says old e-gates are now being replaced.
Nakapag-release po kayo ng some amount of money na at least 25% po ng mga counters natin mapapalitan na po ng mga e-gates na bago.
Manila International Airport Authority Acting Chief Eric Ines says they're now fixing the escalators and walkolators at the NAIA as well.
Yung pinangako po namin, na tinapos po namin nung January, first week of January, ay June. Pinangako ko po yun, nagawa na po yun. Yung escalator na sinasabi nila na nakaka-perwisyo sa arrival, nagawa po yun. Yung mga walkalator natin, nagawa na po yun.
The senator meanwhile raised matters of security, noting the airport is the country's first line of defense. He says blacklisted persons are able to slip into the country while VIPs do not go through stringent screening like regular passengers do.
Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang magdala ng droga, bomba, at kung ano pang mga kontrabando kaya niyang ipuslit. Ginto, pera. Opo.
Tinitingnan po lahat yung mga identification po, yung mga pumapasok po sa general aviation area.
Yung pagdamo sa immigration, pipicturean ka o mark, yung pala ay data gathering lang, walang ginagawang cross-matching.
The Immigration Bureau is now asking for more funding to improve the security system. Ines meanwhile promises to improve information on the passengers' Bill of Rights displayed at the NAIA. Tulfo says these were not easily readable.
Matagal na po namin pinag-aralan, way back pa po yan, ilang beses na rin-revise yan. And very active po ang ating CAB at nag-uusap po kami at nag-deploy kami.
Bea de la Cruz, Billionario News Channel.